Hey guys, welcome to j&jautowrecking's test video for LJNS262. This is our 1988 Nissan 300ZX, also known as the Japanese Camaro. Just as slow and just as rusty, so we're gonna roll with it. We got this car from a local tow yard. Looks like it was involved in a light front end collision. We don't know the backstory. It does run, but it backfires. We actually had to cut the muffler off because it was blowing the packing out. So I'm thinking that a mouse or something might have caught up in the exhaust, or maybe the cat's plugged. Like I said, it does run, but it doesn't really want to rev out. So we'll do a quick startup of it, but we're not going to run it long. She's a little bit rusty. She just got bubbles everywhere. This car, which you would call a 50-footer, we were looking through. The floors were pretty rusty underneath. Same thing with the rear quarters. Inside, though, it's a very clean car that I guess somebody used to learn car stereo on. I'm not sure what was going on here. All the panels are pulled. There's wires run through the door jambs. It's just kind of a mess. Maybe they went to Best Buy install school. T-tops are in usable condition. A lot of this chrome's very nice. The moldings are in good condition. Nice defrost back glass with the chrome. This thing is very 80s. Nice rear tail light. You know, body panels are in good condition. Just the clear coat's blowing off of these things. Yeah, as you guys can see here, this is a, yeah. That's for sale. Look for that listing. All right, guys, let's step inside this gem and see what she's got going on here. 199,812 miles. I'm going to test everything out in here before we fire it up because she is kind of loud. You guys can hear the power antenna clicking back there. This climate control looks to be in good condition. Yeah, I know these things are worth a ton of money. Oh, blowing everything away. Gauges all work up here. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Well, she's running. It just, something's not right, if that makes sense. The exhaust seems pretty restricted. I am going to attempt to put it in gear and we'll see if we die. I got it. I'm gonna... Alright guys, let's see what we got. Ooh. Reverse. It moves. Oh, yep, it moves. Alright, yep, now she's idling on her own. Maybe it just needs woken up. We put a couple of gallons of gas in it. I'm gonna shut it off though. Let's go back to testing things. Passenger window regulator up and down. Driver up and down. I know these are worth a ton of money. The switch is in good condition here. Let's test the passenger switch just for, there you go. I know these switches are all known to fail. Dashboard is in nice condition. Glove box is a little loose, but it'll work. Same thing with the console. The seats are very nice for what they are. Go ahead and show off this one for you guys there. There's the passenger. And I'll get my big butt out of the driver's seat so we can look at that one. Nice condition. I mean, these will find a nice home in your 300ZX or whatever the heck else you put them in. T-top on this side is good. Doesn't really look like it's been leaking, so I'm going to assume the seals are good. Door panels in nice shape. A little bit of matte pocket loose there, but your wife can fix that with a sewing machine. Guys, that's going to wrap up the test video for LJNS262, our 1988 Nissan 300ZX. You can find all the parts off this car on our website, www.jandjautowrecking.com, and give us a like on social media at j&jautowrecking. Go ahead and follow this channel, guys. Click that subscribe button at the bottom. Thanks for watching, and we're out.